Okay, so let's take a look at how to edit the CSV file in Google Sheets. What you would do is you would go to sheets.google.com. So that's how I got here, sheets.google.com. It'll bring you to this page. And then you just click on open a blank spreadsheet. And then you go to File, Open, and what you have to do is upload a new file, and that's where you're going to go find your CSV. So I had downloaded mine to the desktop, so just upload from there. And as you see, our CSV file is here, and you can expand these cells without any problem in case you can't read anything. And so here you have 7 columns if you remember, and the way you would do it is just go one by one and fill them out. Just be sure to avoid filling out this first row where the words are, and you want to focus only on the second rows and beyond if you have more than one store. So in this case, the store location ID is our store ID, and you can call it whatever you want from a number perspective. I'm just going to keep it at 1. And then you set a sales associate password. So remember, there are sales associates and there's dispatchers. Dispatchers can edit anything, and a sales associate can only go and take the order out to the curb and just click I'm delivered. But you give each one a password, and of course these logins are shared across everybody in your store. So let's just keep it very simple. Sales associate password, let's call it 123, and the dispatcher password, why not 123. You put your store address. So here I'm just going to put one of our addresses. And you leave out the city, and then you put the zip code of the address, and you put the phone number of the store, and you decide how many days you'd like to keep the orders in the store in case someone doesn't come and pick up their order. In this case, let's just say I want to delete it after 3 days. And then you just go here and click File. Let's say you only have one store ready to go, and you go to Download. And the second to last option is comma separated file. And there you go. It's saved. And now you can upload this into your admin screen and set up that store.